Welcome. In this video, we will show you how to perform a Huawei Load Factory Fastboot and how to exit factory mode using ChimeraTool. You can use Load Factory Fastboot either from factory mode or from Fastboot mode. After using Load Factory Fastboot, you will have access to various procedures available in this mode. The first step is to prepare the phone and connect it by test point. Once Chimera detects the device, you'll need to select the model. To do that, simply click on the model selection box. You can either type the model name directly or choose it from the list. Once you've found the correct model, click on it and wait for the phone to fully connect. Next, go to the Change Mode tab and select Load Factory Fastboot. Then click Start Procedure. When prompted, reconnect the device battery and click Continue. Now, when prompted, disconnect the USB cable from the PC and reconnect it to the same port. This step is important for the procedure to complete successfully. Then click OK to proceed. Once the mode has been changed, click Close and save to history. As you can see, ChimeraTool now shows all the operations available for this device in Factory Fastboot mode. If your phone is stuck in factory mode, you can use Load Factory Fastboot and then flash the phone to return it to normal mode. If you want to exit factory mode and Load Factory Fastboot does not work, you can use the Exit Factory Mode procedure to boot your device into normal mode again. Finally, to exit factory mode, go to the Change Mode tab and click Exit Factory Mode. This process is instantaneous, and as you can see, it has been completed successfully. Thank you for watching. For more tutorials and tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.